students, class 4 chapter number 2, my extended family. Now we'll continue the chapter. Taking decision in the family. Yes, we all take decision in the family. Yes. Taking decision in the family. The family group decision making service offers meeting involving the extended family of a child. It is also known as family group discussion. The family group decision making service offers meetings involving the extended family of a child. It is also known as family group discussion. Family group discussion. Taking decision in the family. We all take decision in the family? Yes. The family group decision making service offers meeting. Whatever we are doing, discussion in the family. First, we all are doing meeting. पहले meeting लेते हैं family की. Yes, we all are sitting together and we discuss. First, we take meeting. Whatever problems are there, they solve it. They discuss about that particular topic. Yes. Involving the extended family of a child. Extended family means uncle, aunt, cousin, niece, nephew. This all are extended family of a child. It is also known as family group discussion. We all are doing discussion in a group. So it is known as family group discussion. The family meetings can help a child who is having difficulties by bringing the family together to make plans and supporting those looking after them. The family meeting can help a child who is having difficulties. जो family meeting में होता है can help child, जो child को help करते हैं who is having difficulties. Some of them they have difficulties by bringing the family together, family को साथ में लाते हैं to make plan बनाने में and supporting those looking after them. तो वो support करते हैं इसके पीछे. Yes, like Mala's father planned to buy a car. What Mala's father planned? Mala's father planned to buy a car. Yes, this is the plan. Whose plan? Mala's father. He wants to buy a car. He spoke to Mala's mother about it. फिर उन्होंने माला की मदर के साथ डिस्कस किया, बातें की. Both parents have been thinking about how to pay for the car. कि दोनों सोच रहे थे कि हाँ हम कैसे पे करेंगे रुपीज. They decided to consult with their family members. once they talk to their family members, it becomes easier for them to take a decision. Then what they have thought? They have thought that we will discuss about this, about rupees with our family members. Then it will be easy for us. Yes, so whatever we are getting problems, we are not understanding about that. So we should discuss with our family members. So we'll get solution about that. Then Mala's mother and father, they consult with their family members. के साथ उन्होंने discuss बातें की. Once they talk to their family members, जब वो family member के साथ बात करेगी, so it becomes easier for them to take a decision. फिर उनके लिए easy होगा ये decision लेने में. Now family values and traditions. Values and tradition. Family traditions create good feelings and special moments to remember. They are fun to do. Enjoy this time together as a family will create positive emotions in each member. These are the members that will last a lifetime. Yes, family tradition create good feelings. हमारी फैमिली की जो भी फीलिंग्स होती है वो कैसी होती है, कैसी क्रिएट करती है? गुड फीलिंग्स क्रिएट करती है, अच्छी फीलिंग्स क्रिएट करती है. यस, दे आर फन थिंग्स टू डू. जो भी हमें फन थिंग्स करना है, विल डू विद आवर फैमिली. एंजॉय दिस टाइम टुगेदर as a family will create positive. Enjoy this time. We enjoy the time with our family. Yes, and it creates positive emotion. कैसा emotion create करता है? Positive emotion. Positive emotion create करता है in each member. सब member में positive emotion create करता है. These are the memories that will last a lifetime. जो ये memory होती है, हमें lifetime तक ये याद रहता है. Yes. If it is positive memory or it is negative memory. Positive emotion और negative emotion ये सब हमें कब lifetime तक याद रहता है. Family tradition. Traditions create good feeling and special moments and special moments to remember. They are fun things to do. Enjoying this time together as a family will create positive emotions in each member. these are the memories that will last a lifetime. A strong family unit creates a safe. A strong family unit creates a safe, positive, and supportive place for all members to thrive. Strong family creates safe. जो family strong होती है वो create करते हैं, safe create करते हैं. Yes, positive and supportive. We all get this from our family. Positive, and our family, they support us. Yes, हमें support करती है हमारी family. Yes, for all family members to thrive, a family should support and nourish each member of the family without judgment. Yes, family, you should support each and every those who are living in your family. कि आपको सपोर्ट करना चाहिए सबको विदाउट जजमेंट, जजमेंट के बिना. Why utilizing? Utilizing means they are useful. Utilizing means they are useful. Make use of. Utilizing means make use of. जो हमें यूज में आता है वो. The resources and living together happily. और हमें सबको एक साथ रहना है और हमें happily रहना है. When raising a child, one is taught value by their family that they feel are important for that child to have. One raising a child, one is taught value by their family. Yes, एक बच्चे को हम बर्थ देते हैं. Yes, जन्म देते हैं, उसको एक वैल्यू सिखाते हैं फैमिली से. Yes, that they feel are important for their child to have. Traditional values that are important in the family. Traditional value हमारी फैमिली में important है. Yes, our honesty. हमें कभी भी honesty is the best policy. Do you know? This is one thought. Honesty is the best policy. हमें कभी भी किसी का खराब नहीं सोचना है. सिखाते आपके पेरेंट्स. Yes, then they teach that also. ये हमें दूसरे को हेल्प करनी चाहिए जब उनको जरूरत हो तब. ट्रस्ट, विश्वास रखना चाहिए. and to have respect for others और दूसरे को रिस्पेक्ट देना. Respect means मान सम्मान. जो हमारे से बड़े होते हैं we should talk with them respectfully. हमें respectfully उनसे बात करनी चाहिए. and we should be honest. हमें honest रहने का हमेशा. Yes, honest means what is mean by honest? What is mean by honest? Anyone know what is mean by honest? Yes, honest means हमें honest means yes, honest is the best policy. हमें हमेशा सही मार्ग पे चलना चाहिए. हमें we will be honest. हमें कभी भी कोई गलत काम नहीं करना चाहिए. हमें हमेशा सही काम करना चाहिए. Honest. Yes. Now let us revise the chapter once again. Today what we have studied. Taking decision in the family. The family group decision making service offers meetings involving the extended family of a child. It is also known as family group discussion. Yes, we are doing discussion with our family. वो हमारी फैमिली के साथ डिस्कस करते हैं. Yes, first we do meeting. फिर क्या टॉपिक पे किसको क्या प्रॉब्लम है. Then we do discussion about that topic. Like Mala's father, he is planning to buy a car. Then he talked with Mala's mother. that how will pay the star, हम कैसा पे करेंगे, then they are talking with their family members, then it becomes easier for them to take a decision. Family values and traditions, just now we have learned about that exercise. Take the correct option. And dash family includes parents and siblings. Immediate family. Which family? Which type of family? Immediate family. Maternal relatives means originating from our dad's side of family. जो मदर की साइड जो फैमिली होती है, that is maternal relatives. Father, mother, brother or sister. Mother na, so you should pick on the mother. Sometimes grandparents need a little help to dash with the fun. Maximize, minimize, measure, none of them. Okay, so it will be maximize grandparents को थोड़ा fun, maximize करना था, थोड़ा ज़्यादा बढ़ाना था ना, so you should pick on the maximize. We learn to live in peace and harmony. हमें peace और harmony सब जगह पे हमें adjust करना चाहिए. School, house, everywhere or none of them, everywhere. Family should support and nourish each member of the dash without judgment. Family, click on the family, fill in the blank. The extended family help us with that problem. Extended family के साथ इसको क्या प्रॉब्लम होती है? फाइनेंशियल प्रॉब्लम होती है ना, तो आंसर विल बी फाइनेंशियल. The birth of child and naming dash are some family occasion, naming ceremony. So answer will be ceremony. We learn to share our dash with our parents. हमें हमारे पेरेंट्स के साथ क्या शेयर करना चाहिए? रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी. क्या शेयर करनी चाहिए हमें? रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी. Parents dash their family members in decision making. Parents consult their family members in decision making. कभी कोई डिसीजन करना तो कंसल्ट यानी बताते हैं ना, ये करना है, फैमिली मेंबर्स के साथ शेयर करते हैं, कंसल्ट करते हैं. Family traditions create good dash and dash moments to remember. क्या क्रिएट करते हैं? गुड फीलिंग्स, अच्छी फीलिंग्स क्रिएट करते हैं एंड सम स्पेशल मोमेंट्स. True or false? Immediate family, extended family. जो immediate होती है वो extended family होती है. No, answer will be false. Special food is being prepared for the daily occasion. Daily हमें कुछ special dishes बनाना है. No, in the occasion, special food is being prepared only in the occasion. So answer will be false. We learn a lot from our family members. हम हमारे फैमिली मेंबर के साथ बहुत कुछ सीखते हैं, उनसे बहुत कुछ सीखते हैं. We learn, yes, true. We learn good values from our family. हम good values सीखते हैं हमारे फैमिली के साथ. जो वो कैसा बिहेव करते, वो कैसा, हम सब उनसे ही सीखते हैं. Yes, answer will be true. A child is taught value by his neighbor. Child को जो वैल्यूज जो भी वो सिखाते हैं, कौन सिखाता है? नेबर सिखाता है, पड़ोसी सिखाते हैं? No. Who taught? Who teach them? Their parents. So answer will be false. What they have asked in the question? They have asked that child is taught value by his neighbor. Neighbor से सीखते हैं वो वैल्यू? No. Answer will be false. Okay, now we have completed the chapter.